What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jesus here at Peterson's Harley-Davidson, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the most frequently asked questions regarding your motorcycle's maintenance. One of our most frequently asked questions is, how often should I service my motorcycle? Your first service will always be your 1,000-mile service, probably the most important service of them all. At 1,000 miles, we check to make sure everything is operating as it should, readjusting everything after your initial break-in cycle. After that, we recommend coming in every 5,000 miles to make sure everything continues to maintain Harley-Davidson factory specification. Your oil changes are always covered in your service intervals, which is at every 5,000 miles after your 1K service. However, it is always good practice to check your oil level before any long rides or if your motorcycle hasn't been used for an extended period of time. The lifespan of your battery depends on how well it's maintained. A good tip is to always have your motorcycle on a slow charger whenever it's not being used to maintain its efficiency and durability. For those of you who are ready to take it to the next level, Harley-Davidson offers our stages 1 through 4 performance kits to upgrade your bike and still maintain your factory warranty. Thanks again for joining me today. My name is Jesus, and remember, if you have any more questions, feel free to contact your local Harley-Davidson dealership.